one is for the motorcycle balancing as such. It is actually, it could be used, used for designing shipping containers, for transporting two-wheeler vehicles, as well as for balancing for the riders, right? So this is the need for the technology is supposing, while riding a two-wheeler, some people find it difficult to balance while going, while standing in the signals, and even the motorcycle while in the workshops. They find the only thing is that they put the center stand. Otherwise, the balancing is a little bit difficult. So the scientists actually have tried to overcome this challenge, and he has actually designed a new accessory which could be fitted into any motorbikes. So as such, you could see it replaces the center stand. And just for your imagination, actually, have you ever seen the two wheels in the flight, the bottom wheels, right? So you could imagine something similar to that for the two-wheelers, right? So this is how this invention will look like. Okay, so this thing which can be even suspended for transporting these two-wheelers. So this is what the patented feature is, right? So this is the parts diagrammatic representations, and yeah. So he is actually wanted to look for extending this technology to other what to say, for designing many two-wheeler vehicles as well. Like the technology is laboratory prototype. It could be extended for any other for little modifications. It could be further developed for any other applications as well. Yeah. And yeah. So I have seen this technology, and I'm just representing. So you have any specific questions on this technology? So this is what it looked like. It looked like the aeroplane two-wheeler thing. It could be fitted instead of the center stand. So even while the vehicle is going slow, it could be automatically be used for balancing. Yes, that's it.